So you've got a business idea and you've decided that you want to start a business. Well done. Except there is more to a business than just having a good idea. You need to think things through to maximize your chances of success. Are you the right person to run the business? Will customers like your product? A business plan will actually help you to turn that idea into an actual business. The question is, how do you develop one? How do you communicate it to potential shareholders? Real quick about me, I'm Moses Manuel, the founder of Zeret Network, which is an educational media company. We develop educational content on business, finance, law, and development-related studies. But here's why you're here. By the time you're done with the next series of videos, you're going to be in a position to explain the content expected and developed in the business plan, actually develop a business plan for a new business, develop a pitch that delivers key information about your business to key stakeholders. So the lessons will, in a nutshell, train you on general idea behind business plans, things like what is a business plan and who reads it, reasons for you to write a business plan, the structure of a business plan, developing a business plan for a new business idea, how to develop your business pitch, be it the elevator pitch or the main business pitch. Since the plan here is learning by doing, you're going to undertake some projects based on the learning outcome that you've just stated. Basically, you will write a business plan and share an executive summary of such, as well as develop an elevator pitch for a business. Remember, it's not about whether you're wrong or right at this point. It's just about getting things done and then improving. Okay? If you make a mistake, improve on it. So, let's get started.